Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today, we will be making 3 home decors. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first project, you will need 2 octagon-shaped mirrors, 4 brooches, 4 crystal knobs, and permanent glue. For time's sake, we are using a glue gun, but if you would like to make this permanent, you will need to use a glass glue. Epoxy by Gorilla is a good glass glue to use. As you can probably already tell, we love these brooches. We use these brooches in a lot of our projects. We picked these brooches up months back when we did our snowman, and we just absolutely love these brooches. They are real rhinestone and they are heavy, so they are quality brooches as well. For the second project, you will need 1 wine glass and 2 yards of rhinestone wrap, or you can use bling wrap or any type of embellishment of your choice. We're also using Mod Podge, and we're using a glue gun for time's sake. Make sure that on this part that you are taking your time. So if you have to go slow on this part, do so, because this can make a difference on how your wine glass turns out. For project number 3, you will need 1 candle holder from the Dollar Tree, 4 wristbands, and a brooch. Now you can use whatever you choose to use to create your brush holder. You can use bling wrap or you can use embellishments, whatever you desire. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.